Hi guys, in front of me is Realme Narzo 50 Pro, and let me show you how to activate developer options here. First of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select About Device, and now scroll a bit lower, click on Version, and tap 7 times on build number. Then draw your unlock pattern, and that's it. As you can see, you've just unlocked developer options, so let me go back. And now you can find developer panel under additional settings. So here it is, you can smoothly open and use all the features. Then whenever you wish to deactivate it, smoothly unmark the stop switcher and it's no longer accessible. You will be able to use it again just after you will perform the same trick. So that's it, that will be all. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.